Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. First of all, before we get into this video, before we start this unboxing and just what I think about honestly from like this collection coming out from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, I'm so excited. But before we get into that, you guys, can we get into this look? I am getting ready. I'm actually hours away from departing and heading to Hawaii with my husband and his family. I'm so excited. So you guys, I am so excited to kind of escape and to be on an island, but I'm also going to be not bringing any kind of drag, no makeup, nothing at all. I mean, maybe like a tinted moisturizer, I don't know. But this will be a very relaxing vacation, but I wanted to just come on here and jump on here and say hi to you guys. I've missed you. Thank you so much for tuning in to this video. I'm very, very stoked for this collection that's coming out. Jeffree Star Cosmetics, they sent over the entire pink religion. It will be a just unboxing, my kind of vibe, my kind of feel on it. What do I really think about this collection? Because you guys already know how I really feel about pink. I mean, honestly, like you guys, pink scares me. Let's go ahead and jump into it, you guys. Jeffree Star Cosmetics, they just released the pink religion collection literally a few days ago. They released it on press. Pictures came out, videos came out, the unboxing came out. I don't believe it's sold yet. Maybe when this video is live, it is sold already, so you guys can check out Jeffree Star Cosmetics and see if you guys want to purchase this collection or not. He was really, really nice enough to send this over to my studio. I actually really, by the way, I always get all of his collections, which by the way, it's really cool because you get to see the journey that he goes on. But my question is today, you guys, is like, for the people that are not really down with the brand, like what's going on now? Where is the vibe? In the comments down below, let me know. I know a lot of people are on different fences when it comes to this brand, and people have different emotions. I really truly want to think there's people that support it, there's people that kind of support it, there's people that support it in the dark, and then there's people that just don't support it at all. Like I know a lot of influencers and a lot of beauty gurus right now, they're online speculating and talking a lot about this collection, and they're saying like, you know, what is the time limit on when you can start purchasing Jeffree Star stuff again? When is the time? What is the thing? And I'm just sitting here like, why won't y'all just keep the same energy? Like, I mean, I really do separate cosmetics from the actual drama. You know, here's the thing. I think it depends on the person. I think it depends on what you guys do to really showcase your feelings or whatnot when it comes to drama. So for me, I stay out of drama. Don't care about it. Not interested. It has nothing to do with my name. I'm not there. But that being said, so in the comments down below, sound off. What do you guys think about this collection? Like, do you guys want to buy it? Do you guys support it? Do you guys not support it? I totally understand both sides. It's not one of those things where like I would argue back and forth about. It's just more of, I want to know what people are. By the way, what is this Too Faced drama that everyone's talking about? Like how people are saying Too Faced is canceled. Like I love Too Faced, but you guys understand, like I really don't stay in the drama. So if you guys down in the comments below, keep it short, keep it cute. What is going on with Too Faced right now, cosmetics? I need to know. I need to know, because it's just like, you know, if it's not one drama with one brand, it's another drama with another brand. It's always going to be this continuous thing. So I want to know. I'm kind of interested. But other than that, you guys, let's go ahead and unbox. All right, you guys. So the full pink collection, he did come out with multiple different mirrors. He sent over one. So you guys know Jeffree Star is known for the mirrors. So I am totally not a collector of mirrors myself, but you know, like I said, he's so nice enough to send a lot of the mirrors over. By the way, I really do like his mirrors. You know what it is? I love his mirrors because I do have one in the shower that I use to shave my face, and I've dropped that mirror so many times. I'm not even kidding. I've dropped it so many times in my shower, and it does not shatter. And this, oh my god, this is so tea, no shade, but prior to that mirror, I had a Kat Von D mirror and it shattered, so I totally replaced it with Jeffree Star, which by the way, how ironic is that? But anyways, his mirrors are pretty sturdy. I mean, honestly, they do not break. I think they're affordable price, and I mean, I just if you are a mirror collector, I mean, what other brands are you collecting mirrors, you know? So I think it's pretty dope. And it's nice for me to use this mirror. I actually kind of like this mirror. I actually like the different shaped mirrors than the stars. I know the stars are his iconic shapes, but I really do like this one because you can kind of like see the whole face. So I'm gonna set this in my studio. I'm gonna be using that for sure. Next, you guys, we have the Sacred Glass highlighters. So this is the packaging right here, and inside it's almost like this faux leather kind of moment. Do love the detail. I mean, the thing about Jeffree's brand is that he does pay a lot of attention to detail, which, by the way, I do think it does kind of amp other brands as well. You know, I'm starting to see a lot of brands that I'm working with, they are upping up the looks. You know, there are like that editorial video that comes with it to get you the vibe, you know. Like, I truly think Jeffree does kind of pave the way. So I do remember that when I do see his products, that he does pave the way, because you know what it is, I feel like he did it first with multiple different things, you know, like, and then everybody else does it. But here's the thing, we live in a monkey see, monkey do world. So when you see something, people like to repeat it and repeat and just continue to keep doing it. But anyways, opening this up, you guys, this is Sacred Glass. Bam, how stunning is this, you guys? Like, I just absolutely love his highlighters. Now, to be honest with you guys, I am not a colored highlighter person because I just don't put on pink highlighter. Like, it's just not something that kind of runs through my blood. But I really do like to have it when it comes to like lids and lips and things like that. I do that, but have the whole like this highlight moment, I would just prefer something more pearl or really bronze. So I really do love this pearl gates. I mean, look at this pearl gates, you guys. Like, how stunning is that? Like, I'm literally just gonna swatch all of them and just kind of show you guys how pretty is that. Like, this is so pretty. And honestly, when it comes to like summer and things like that, like, this is something I would definitely use on like my shoulders, and if I'm wearing like a halter top or a tube top, like, that's where I would really glow my chest. All right, you guys, so he came out with 2 different types of new products, which, by the way, I'm excited because a lot of people have been saying like Jeffree comes out with the same things, Jeffree doesn't want to release things, but people don't really understand that Jeffree has a lot of shit. Like, a lot of these upcoming brands are quick to say like, oh, he doesn't have this, but I'm like, he actually does. You know, like, a lot of brands have not even had concealers yet, you know? So do keep in mind, you guys, when it comes to different brands, it is all about what the brand and the CEO and the people want to make. I'm just gonna put that out there and let you guys really soak that in. I know we want a lot, but let's just tone it down. But okay, you guys, we have 4 new shades of his new Hydrating Glitz. So these are the Hydrating Glitz. I mean, they're almost like lip balms. Oh no, they are a lip balm. Lip balm that, I mean, obviously, you guys, we love lip balms. And there's 4 different shades. So these are the shades right here. I'm gonna pick one that I really think I would wear. Look at that. So these are the shades right here. Love. I really think I like Alter. Like, I'm kind of into the Alter moment. So let's kind of see what this looks like. So hydrating, you guys, is really important because I think when it comes to a brand, you really want lip oils. I'm so into lip oils right now. Like, I love the Jaclyn Hill lip oil. Let me go ahead and grab it for you. Literally, you guys, I have been using her new summer collection. This is her lip oils. It comes in 4 different colors, 1 clear, and it's just like been my go-to when it comes to lip oils. But why not have a lip oil and a lip balm? So let's go ahead and check this out. It's gonna be the Signature Bullet, and let's bring it up here and see. Whoa, look at that. You guys, are we not getting into this moment? Wow, this is so beautiful. Okay, I really actually want to try this. Oh wow, there are specks of glitter, but not so much, so you don't feel like you're like 16 years old. Wow, I'm actually very into it. Yeah, this is gonna go with my Jaclyn Hill. Like, this is gonna sit like this right in my purse. Work. Wow, that feels really nice. Like, that feels very hydrating. And you know what it is? Like, sometimes you don't want to wear so much lip oil. Like, you just want like a lip balm. Like, I'm a motherfucking Burt's Bees queen. Like, love it. So I do love that, but this is really nice. It's really hydrating. It's like on the lips and I can feel the hydration. All right, you guys. So now with the collection, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 new Velvet Trap lipsticks. And obviously they're gonna be pink. There's some browns in here. So this is the labels. As you guys can see here, the colors, they do match the actual color in the lipstick. All right, you guys, this is God's Gift. Ooh, this is God's Gift, you guys. A very matte white. How stunning. You could definitely use this for like an ombre on the lip. I love that. And the casing is so pretty and pink. Like, it's literally pinker than the actual Velvet Trap. How stunning is that? Let me show that to you. Collectors, this is the Velvet Trap. This is the newest one. How cute is a different pink? I'm obsessed. All right, guys, next, this one is going to be Communion Wine. I love the names. Oh, look at this one. Yeah, She's gonna go on my lips too. Very pretty, love that. And honestly, so far you guys, like these lipstick shades from what I'm thinking they look like, I think they go really well with pink. Okay, so this one is called Holy Fashion. Holy Fashion, stunning. Very like sultry, very wearable, very easy to wear. This one is called Pink Messiah? Pink Messiah. Okay, so this one is, it's almost like a very bubblegum pink. Love that. And you guys know how I feel about pink lipstick. This one's called Confessional. Oh, that's a really pretty. It's a very like I want to say like an orange red. I love that. Very nice. And then this one is Cult of Roses. Very pretty. I could see a lot of people liking this color. It's very soft, very rosy, very wearable. And we have two more here. So this one's called Always Faithful. Okay, so something on more of the purple side. We love a little purple moment. And then last but not least, this one is called Pink Religion. So this is the iconic Pink Religion lipstick, and it is a fire pink. Like, look at that, how fire pink is that? Oh my god, that's so pretty. Love, 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 love. I'm very intrigued by the white one. Okay, you guys, so the next new product, I'm very stoked, and I actually did not see this coming at all. You guys know I am a full-on setting spray fanatic. I literally collect them. I have so much setting spray in my office. Like I love setting spray. Like you cannot not sell me a setting spray. Like I just love it. Like if you tell me it has glitz and glam in it, I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna purchase it. I love it. And there are some particular ones that I really do like. So this is the new Jeffree Star Cosmetics Holy Mist Soothing Facial Spray. So basically this soothes and hydrates the skin of even the strongest sinner. Soothes or soothes? How do you say it? Soothes. Soothes and hydrates. I love that. So basically from what I'm seeing this as, you can definitely use this before foundation, before anything you want to use. Like let's say you're just out and you want to get a little hydration, you can spray it. It works almost like a skincare product. And then after, I always tell people the setting spray after and before could be different, and usually they are different for me. One is like when you use it before, it's more of like a hydration skincare kind of situation or a mattifying, and then after is the set of the makeup, because how are you going to set your makeup when you ain't got no makeup on yet? So of course you have to have more than one setting spray. So I like to say, to have something hydration after the foundation and everything is done, you do bring moisture back, and it does kind of softens up your makeup and gives you that hydration if you're super matte and dry and powdered and set, you know. So I do recommend that. I actually really love the setting spray. It looks almost like mousse, like it's like a mousse moment, but I'm gonna try some right now. Let me see. Okay. Oh, it's so soft. Oh wow. Oh my god, it smells so good. It's like a, love that. I can't figure out the smell. I want to say it's kind of like coconut. Oh no, dragon fruit extract. I said coconut, bitch. All right, you guys. So now we're getting to the nitty gritty, the biggest part of the collection. This is the Pink Religion palette. Okay, you guys, so when I saw this, I was actually very gagged because I'm not a religious person and I can never find anything offensive. And I don't think this is offensive at all. I don't see anything that would be offensive. That's the thing. Now, you know what I mean? Like, I can see if there are. And now, let's say the people that are not riding with Jeffree and they have one of those, you know, the people that just have something to say about something, you know what I mean? I feel like this is like an easy target. I just think Pink Religion is such a really, I mean, honestly, a very smart thing to do, because I don't remember ever anyone doing like a Bible or a book. In the comments below, you guys, let me know if there was there a brand that has ever done a book? Maybe ColourPop, because ColourPop does everything, to be honest. They do everything. But anyways, let's go ahead and pull this open. Now, I was actually very actually surprised that he came out with a pink collection. You know, knowing Jeffree Star, he is obsessed with pink. He's always been obsessed with pink. And I was like, wow, he's never done a pink collection before. That's kind of nuts for me. And I just feel like this as a pink collection, this is pretty dope. I think it's cool. I just feel like the collection could have been bigger, but also we didn't want bigger. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like when there's so much, it's too much. And when there's not so much, we want more. So I'm kind of more like, okay, you know what? I would rather have not so much and want more. So here you guys, opening it up. This is Pink Religion, Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Dun, dun, dun. Bam. Very nice. Now, this palette freaks me out because I personally, I don't wear a lot of pink. Like, it's not really like, it's just like my skin color tan kind of thing. Like, I just feel like tan skin and pink is just like, but as I'm looking at this, you guys, it literally, like, it just looks wearable. Like, I mean, I know they're pink shades, but I just feel like they're not so pink shades. Like, there's an orange, there's burgundies, there's purples. You know, there's a lot of colors that I actually would wear. So I'm actually not really like, oh my God, like, I'm terrified of this palette. I would never use it again. I was just gonna tuck it away. I actually like this, and I actually think I see some like blush colors in here. Like there's some really nice blush colors in here. Like, I am on this thing where like I use blush from like eyeshadows. Like, I don't know what it is. I think it's because like when I'm in a rush, I'm just gonna go. But I'm gonna swatch this one. I really think this color pink is nice. Like, look how pigmented that is. Look how pink that is. This one and this one. Look at these. And then honestly, when it comes to like pink shimmers, I don't know. Here's the thing. Pink shimmers, it just really freaks me out. Like, I don't know what it is. I just don't wear them. I just don't know. I don't know. And maybe because I don't apply it right, or I just don't know how to use them, but I just don't think it's flattering on me at all. I don't know what it is. So if you guys love pink shimmers, sound off in the comments below. If you guys are terrified of pink and you guys actually want to try this palette, sound off in the comments down below. Because I'm very curious and I want to know. Very cute. I love it. I think it's a very cute, it's almost like a collector's moment. So if you guys are collectors, I think this is a pretty dope thing to collect. It's very cute. That being said, you guys, OMG, we made it to the end of the video. You guys, I know I'm very sad that I didn't get to put on makeup today because I really don't want to put on makeup right now because I'm trying to like start my vacation. But promise you, I will be trying on this palette. I have a full pink backdrop coming in, and it's gonna be dedicated to this collection. I'm very excited because we haven't had a new collection in a long time. All these brands, I feel like right now, brands are just literally sending lips. Like, I don't know what it is about the lip game, but like everyone has lips. It's just too much lips for me. I need eyeshadows again. I need eyeshadows, I need foundations, I need setting spray. I need more setting spray. So in the comments down below, let me know what setting spray would you guys like me to try. I just love them. I was gonna do a haul where I go into a Sephora and purchase the best top 10 setting sprays. Let me know what you guys think about that video. I think it's a pretty cool video to do because a lot of people have very questions about setting sprays. I mean, like, I have Morphe, I have Makeup Forever, I have Maven, I have Milk. You know, I have so many, but I use them for certain reasons. Like, I'm telling you, if I know I'm gonna be out for like 8 hours, it's a certain setting spray. Let me know what you guys think about that video. If you guys would like it, I would love to do it. I love you guys so much. Jeffree Star Cosmetic, congratulations on the launch. If I had a code for you guys, I would give it to you guys, but I do not have a code. But if you guys are shopping on Morphe, Tati Lashes, you guys can definitely use my code Kimora. It does save you money off at the end of the purchase. Other than that, I'm on vacation mode. I love y'all so much, and let me know in the comments. I will be reading the comments this vacation and responding to some. I love you, and I'll see you guys later.